Hello everybody, we are here with another playing with drawing video. I have yet one more flower to do. I know, big surprise, right? I like to draw foliage. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, as per usual, the image will be over on my Patreon if you want to use it for something. I'm going to spend more time looking at the photo than the paper that I'm drawing. I do want to try something slightly different this time. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. All right, I have some Derwent colored pencils. One is an Inktense, one is a watercolor pencil. And the center of this flower has like stuff in the middle, little hairs. I want to call them follicles. I'm sure that's not what they are. Anyway. They're a slightly different color than the pencils I'm using, but that's all right. I'm gonna use these anyway. And these are both water-soluble pencils, so they are probably gonna move when we get the paper wet, which is all right. Before we do that, I'm gonna grab a pen, and I think I'm gonna use this 0.5 sepia one. And we're gonna go over some of these other lines that we like the shape of. We'll do some of that. I always write something at the bottom if you're new here. I don't know, I just always do. And the pictures are all taken by me in areas I am or have been. And if you want copies of them to do anything with, whether it's to use it as inspiration or to paint from it, to use it as collage, they are available over in my Patreon to do what you wish with. Okay, so I'm going to lay down some color, and then theoretically, real quick before it dries too much, I'm going to move it around with my water brush. You have to be pretty quick. I'm not always quick enough, but we're going to make it work. And we're having fun making art, which is ultimately what it's all about, right? It's also not about duplicating nature. If I want perfection, that's what my camera is for. I'm just looking at the colors on my palette. I think I want this one. Yeah, that works. And I'm just having fun with it. Which art should be about that. It should be about having fun. It shouldn't be about stress or anything else. There's enough parts of life that are about that. You don't need your art to be that. I like that. Looks like a big, dusty, purpley pink blob. But I kind of like it. Yeah. All right. So that's it for this week. I hope that it gives you some ideas of what you can do. And if I can make time to just do like a 5-minute drawing, so can you. Or do a little knitting or do a little crochet, whatever it is, find time to do what makes you happy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. And above all, go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. And I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.